Hey guys, it's time to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro, the real battery beast from Samsung. And this is coming with a 5000 milliamp hours of battery. And I'm thinking about making this phone as my secondary device. You know, the battery is like amazing, will be amazing on this phone. So you're getting a 1080p display, 6-inch, and a true phablet phone, and of course it will be too big for some people to use comfortably with one hand. We also have 16 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, plus 8 megapixel camera on the front for selfies and everything. And also it is having 32 gigs of internal memory, 4G LTE, fingerprint scanner, fast charging. So a lot of my subscribers were requesting this phone like about, I think, maybe like a week ago. So finally it is now available here. It's costing $480. So that is the price we have for this phone. Just gonna quickly cut the plastic. Let's peel this plastic off. And this is actually in the black color because I have the A series here, A5, A3, and A7 in gold color, so I wanted to try it out in black. And we do have a seal here. Just gonna quickly cut it. And here we go. So look at this phone. It is so big. Okay. Wow. It looks really good in black color. And due to a bigger battery, it is obviously thicker. And we're gonna take a look at this one after checking out the accessories here. So some normal paperwork as expected, quick start guide. I can smell the box, you know, new stuff smell. You know, whenever you unbox a new product, there's like a smell, so that is good. And we have this fast charger here, which is also nice. We got the headphones and then the USB cable, SIM ejecting tool. So pretty basic stuff here. You guys know the deal. And we're gonna take a look at this Star Galaxy A9 Pro phone. And let me just remove the plastic here real quick. Okay. And same thing on the front. There we go. And let's power it on and go through the setup and everything. Okay. Oh no, I think this one also not having any battery charge, just like the previous phones that I've unboxed, like the Google Pixel and the BlackBerry DTech 60. So, wow. Give me 5 minutes and then I will be back. Alright guys, I'm back and let's boot this one up. Okay, you can see that it is now booting up. The new logo, you can see, boot up logo, A9 Pro 2016. And I charged it for about 5 minutes and I think it had like 9% battery. I think it could be enough. It should be enough for the whole setup. Okay. Okay, so it didn't show me any setup. You know, so just straight out go into the home screen. Hopefully your variant or the phone that you will buy will have a dedicated setup before, you know, when you first boot up. And yeah, obviously this is, you know, this phone is like not yet available officially maybe everywhere. So that's what I have to say about that. I don't mind having the setup because it was really quick that I'm right into the software itself. So it's having Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. And let me just increase the brightness a little bit more. Okay, so this is a pretty awesome phone. Does not have the Grace UI, which we get with the A8 2016, which is a bit of a disappointment. Hopefully it will get updated because it's a really good phone. Has a really big battery, 5000 milliamp hour. So we're gonna go into camera, and obviously the camera is also having the older UI. So we can quickly capture photo. We got different modes here, pro mode, and this can also record up to 1080p. So 1080p is the only option we have. Like at 1080p HD and VGA is the only maximum option, cannot go at 4K or anything like that. So it's a huge phone. Also it has a nice thickness to it, so it may not be like comfortable for everyone's usage, but again, for power user, for those who want more battery and they want from Samsung, you know, then definitely this is going to be the phone. Obviously I'll be doing a full review of this phone. I'll be doing a separate video for the battery testing. I would be you know, checking this one out here completely battery wise, playing YouTube videos, playing games, you know, using my phone the way I use my main phone, like the iPhone 7 Plus, to, you know, really see how good it really is when it comes to battery. So you can see the design language is very similar to the other A series phones like A5, A7, and A3. A8 2016 is a different device, but yeah, it's very similar to the A models, other A models, and aluminum on the sides, glass build quality, black colors looking really good. So we do have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 inside of this phone with 4 gigs of RAM. So we'll be doing a speed test comparison with other devices. And also we have a SIM card tray here and another one here. So it does have 2 SIM card trays, so you can have 2 SIM cards as well as a micro SD card at the same time, which is also good, which is something that you don't get with the A8 2016. So again, subscribe for all the content, daily tech videos, and more videos about the A9 Pro, the battery beast we have here from Samsung. Hopefully this will get updated to the Nougat or Grace UI soon, and then we can have more fun with it. So yeah, let me know which specific videos you guys want to see. If you guys have any ideas, let me know, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.